Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. I am Iman Hussain. So this is the early morning and this is day one of my English speaking practice. And in this video, then I will share with you and what is the benefits of early morning. And I think, but I will describe in a different way. That's why stay with me, stay tuned. First of all, and I'm walking in the local street, and this is one of my favorite. When I come to the village, that time I try to wake up early in the morning and try to walk into this road, because and if you walk daily, so and your health will be good, and the morning air and the morning weather is really important for our health. That's because and I am here on this local road and I am really feeling good, and hopefully and you will wake up early in the morning, and in the morning doesn't have any noise into the road. And here you can see, and this is empty road, empty street, and but I am here one of them to walk in this road. And there are a lot of benefits. And if you wake up early in the morning, first of all, and your body will work 100% without problem. And if you have a laziness, and if you want to overcome your laziness, definitely this routine and definitely this habit will be really remarkable for your life. So that's why don't forget to do this for yourself. And if you want to become something different from your society, definitely wake up early in the morning is important. And the very important thing is that, and if you wake up early in the morning and you can concentrate with your mind, and whenever will connect your mind and your activity in the same time, so you'll get a better result for yourself. So thank you for this today's lesson. This is day one, but I couldn't describe properly, but I feel that is everybody should need to focus on this, and everybody should need to do some work in the morning. And I'm walking, and this is one kind of work for me. So if you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platforms, and hopefully you are understanding what I want to say, and if you know this is, and if you think this is helpful ones, definitely subscribe and follow us, because and if you share this video, so if somebody watch this video, so definitely they will be motivated.